Hello viewers, here we have two lamps. These are like grain lamps. It's a matching set. These are older, but I don't think they're that old. Maybe a product of the 90s. They do have a polarized plug, so they can't be all that old. And they feel kind of cheap. The base is like a milk glass kind of material. I think it's glass. And then this is plastic here. And then the top of it, I believe, is glass as well. It's like a hurricane style lamp. And it's kind of dusty inside. There's some information. Don't see much other information on here. There's some information's in there. Made in USA. Good. I don't know what the brand is. There's really no labeling on here to speak of. So let's see if these work. I'm going to test it with an incandescent light bulb because that's the kind I like to use, and that's the kind I will continue to use because that's my personal preference. Okay. And I didn't plug in the power bar. Alright, now it's plugged in. Okay, it's the off, I guess. And there it goes, it's the on. It's a single setting. I think this is a painted, well obviously the grains are painted, but I think the whole thing is painted white because it's not letting out a whole lot of light at all. This may be good for the bedroom. I thought about putting these on either side of the bed. Maybe that's what I'll do with them, because I don't need a lot of light in the bedroom. Or maybe I could put them in the computer room, I don't know. The bedroom is the only place I have now that a matching pair of lamps would really do well in. Okay, so this one works, and the switch seems to work just fine. And everything here is made in USA. The light bulb as well. This incandescent light bulb is also made in USA. And it outputs 650 lumens. Okay, so now let's try the other lamp. I should have grabbed two light bulbs so we could run them both at the same time. Oh well. Okay, so this one too seems to be working. I'm going to turn this off. And I'll turn this off. And now it's pretty dark in here. I'm going to turn this on. Okay, and you can see how well it's illuminating. And then I'm going to put this shade on. And it really does tone it down quite a bit. The camera probably auto adjusts to make it look no different, but it is certainly quite different. Appears to be like a defect in this one. I wonder if I could clean that off. I don't know. Well, anyway, so that's that. We have two matching grain lamps. Kind of cheaper than I expected, but it only really shows if you look at it really close. I thought these were going to be older, but I guess they're not. Oh well, I still like them.